Hi Taurus, how are you? So today we are going to do the general reading of the month May 2020. These are general predictions, so they might or might not resonate with all of you. The deck which I have taken today is the Anna K Tarot deck. It is available in the Amazon. मैंने भी वहीं से खरीदा है and this is my first deck. So if you are also going through, like you are learning the art of tarot, so you can buy this deck as a beginner deck. It is really helpful. The images are very beautiful in it. Okay, so let's start. Taurus, May 2020. What's at the back of the deck is the Hanged Man. You are feeling very much in confusion. Why? What's happening? Because of some Queen of Pentacles, because of some money related issues, or you are dealing with some kind of a person who is more into money stuff. Okay, and what is the Four of Swords? Okay, so आप बहुत परेशान रहे. See, there are two energies which are coming. The first energy is you might be dealing with some person जो बहुत money minded है, or you have a lot of money and that person is with you because of that money. And आपको अब you are very tensed, but you have started thinking in a different perspective. Yes. So what's going on present is the Six of Swords. The obstacle, the crossing over, is the Eight of Cups. Someone leaving someone. So what's on your mind is the Eight of Rods. Communication problems. The recent past is the Six of Cups. Okay, some past life or some issues with your past person. So what's the reason of the reading? Four of Cups. The near future is the Three of Wands. Might be going somewhere, or someone be waiting for you, or you are waiting for someone. What do you want? Sun card. Might be dealing with a Leo. The people around you. Four of Pentacles. Yes. Okay. People are with you for money. Yeah. How are you feeling emotionally is the Three of Pentacles. You are working really hard अपने इस relationship में, अपने इस work में, whatever the partnership you are in, you are really working a lot. What is one outcome is the Seven of Rods. So fights, arguments, blockages, and in the social media also I can see. Okay, so what do you want exactly? Present में आप क्या चाहते हैं? You want to go to calmer waters. You really want to leave the place, and or there's one more thing which I really feel is that you actually want a stable relationship, but this person is leaving, and that is the problem. The communication is a problem. You want to communicate with this person, you want a happy life with this person. Emotionally also you are connected. You want to work the things between the problems between you, but that person is not accepting your calls, your messages, not replying to you, and you want to go to meet that person. आप wait कर रहे हैं कि कब ख़त्म हो ये time, and you really want to go and meet that person. You are thinking about this person a lot, but I really feel that person is not the same to you, the way you are to that person. And जो conflicts हैं, I really feel कि that person वो आपको बहुत block कर रहा है. That person doesn't want that communication the way you want, और तभी बहुत issues आ रहे हैं. But Taurus is all about, Taurus is really stable. हमेशा दे आर सो स्टेबल, दे ऑलवेज वांट कि जो चीज़ें हैं वो एकदम कामली चलें, स्टेबल रिलेशनशिप, दे वांट एवरीथिंग स्टेबल. बट द अदर पर्सन, आई डोंट फील कि जो आपका the person you are dealing with, that person is not feeling the same with you. Okay, so I'll take out some messages from the universe. So let's see universe क्या बताते हैं आपको, the way you are dealing with, आपको क्या advice है, universe क्या advice दे रही है आपको. Let's see. 3 cards for my Taurus, please. Okay, one card has flipped out. It is the Hermit in reverse. Okay, one more card. Queen of Cups. I'll take this one. Okay, Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So these are the cards. The Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, so what actually the universe is telling you, that the things which you are dealing with abhi, wo the wheel is going to turn, and the way you are feeling for the person, he or she will be feeling the same, because something actually happened in the past. कुछ ऐसा हुआ था जिसकी वजह से आप लोगों के बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैं, बट देयर इज़ लव. एंड what else, there is a strong need to change the things within yourself. You really need to meditate. Meditation is something which is coming to my mind a lot अभी. तो जो यूनिवर्स है, दे आर टेलिंग यू टॉरस कि आप थोड़ा मेडिटेशन, यू रियली नीड टू काम योर माइंड. आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं अभी इस रिलेशनशिप को लेके, इस जो प्रॉब्लम्स को आप डील कर रहे हैं, मनी इश्यूज जो आप डील कर रहे हैं, यू आर थिंकिंग अ लॉट अबाउट दैम, बट यू नीड टू वेट, यू हैव टू थिंक. अपने लिए पहले सोचिए, थोड़ा मेडिटेट कीजिए, एंड देन द थिंग्स, द व्हील विल टर्न, इट विल टर्न इन योर फेवर. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड टॉरस. सो आई रियली होप कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो, और अगर आई है तो प्लीज़ लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा और कमेंट भी ज़रूर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू.